Manufacture of glass Part 1. The process of manufacture of glass includes the following important steps. The first step is the formation of the batch material. Second step is the melting process. Third involves the shaping process. Fourth is the annealing process. And last is the finishing process. We will deal all the steps one by one. Formation of the batch material. The lumps of ingredients, for example, limestone, dolomite, feldspar, soda ash, etc., whatever is required for a particular type of glass, they are taken and crushed to coarse powder. Other ingredients such as quartz, sand, etc., are also obtained in proper particle size. The requisite quantities of different ingredients are separately weighed and then they are mixed uniformly in the form of coarse powder. This mixture of coarse in powdered ingredients is called batch material. Different types of batch materials are prepared for different types of glasses. The batch is then transferred to the tank of a tank furnace or to the pots of a pot furnace. Melting process. Glass furnaces are of two types: pot furnaces or tank furnaces. The glass melt is produced from the batch either in pot furnace or in tank furnace. Both these furnaces, that is the pot furnace and the tank furnace, are of two types: regenerative type or recuperative type. The purpose of regeneration is to utilize the heat of waste gases for heating the incoming gas and air used for burning. The regenerative furnace works in two cycles and has two sets of checkwork chambers which are called regenerators. The waste gases from the flame, after giving their heat in the furnace for melting glass, go down through one set of regenerators, which are chambers stacked with open brickwork or checkwork. The heat of the waste gases is removed in heating the checkwork to a temperature ranging between 650 degrees centigrade on the exit side to about 1400 degrees centigrade near the furnace. At the same time, air and gas are heated in a heated regenerator. The temperature which is thus attained is higher than the temperature of the flame from air and gas without heating them. The direction of the ingoing air and gas are reversed after every 25 to 30 minutes, during which one set of regenerators gets considerably cooled because of loss of heat to air and gas, and the other set of regenerators get heated up because of absorption of heat from the waste gases. The object of recuperation is also the utilization of sensible heat of waste gases and as a result giving a higher temperature in the furnace. In recuperation, however, the incoming gases flow only in one direction and that too continuously, as shown in the figure. The hot gases pass through one set of passages while going to stack, and air passes through adjacent passages and get preheated before entering the furnace. Now, the two types of furnaces that are used are pot furnace and tank furnace. Pot furnace is as shown in the figure. In this type of furnace, the glass is melted in either closed open pots placed inside the combustion chamber of the furnace in a circle. A pot is a large monkey shaped crucible made from high alumina fire clay. It is of about 2 tons capacity. The number of pots varies from 6 to 20. Pot furnaces are either rectangular or circular in form. Next are the tank furnaces. In a tank furnace, batch materials are charged into one end of a large rectangular tank built of blocks. These blocks are of refractory nature. Tank furnace also works on the regenerative principle of heat economy and is heated by producer gas. In such type of furnaces, the walls of the tank serves both to restrict and retain the heat and to hold the glass. The batch is mixed with cullet because they assist in lowering the melting point, and the pot or the tank furnace is filled to the desired height. The tank is heated to about 1400 degrees centigrade, at which the materials melt and react to form molten glass.